Dear Atmas, I am Atmeshwaran from Atmeshwara Temple, Tiruvattriyur, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. So as I told in my last video, somebody asked me what I am doing and what is my job and all. Some of our followers. So I just want to tell about myself in this. My name is Vijay Shankar. So I am working as a team leader in one IT company. So how I come to this, it's a big miracle. Like I cannot explain that as such. So if anybody wants to know, they can message me or else WhatsApp me. We can discuss that. My WhatsApp number is 98402-17403. Or else you can comment here with your mobile number. I can get the details. We can discuss. So not only me, so whoever is coming into this devotional part, there will be some miracle behind that always. For each and everybody it will be. Even it is Ramana Maharishi or Vivekananda or Patinath or whoever, so there will be some miracle story behind each and everybody, how they come to this devotional part. Because devotion is not something like we can go and learn somewhere and we can get that. So it comes up from our Atma. Our Atma, I think we are aware, like even the name of our temple is Atmeshwarar, Atma of Lord Shiva. That name was kept to Lingam which I got from a temple. So Atmeshwarar means the Atma of Lord Shiva. But all the instruction what I got is from Muttappa Narayanan. That means Avataram of Vishnu. But the temple was formulated for Atmeshwarar. And all the good things whatever we are doing here, even I am running a trust also. The trust name is Atmeshwara Trust. You can Google that. You can see our websites also, atmeshwara.org. So we are running a homage for mentally retired children. And we are creating business opportunities for the physically challenged people, which we used to call them as Punya Atmas. We won't call them as physically challenged or mentally challenged people, so we used to call them as Punya Atmas only. Why Punya Atmas? Means like if you do good to them, you can reach the destination. So their Atmas are something like good Atmas. If we support them, the God will praise us for sure. So we are running a trust, as I told. So that name is Atmeshwara Trust. It's also in the same location like Tiruvattriyur Rajagadai. We are running a home for mentally retarded children, and we are creating business opportunities for Punya Atmas. And at the time of any disaster, like due to rain or cyclone or whatever, so we used to cross the borders. Whatever people need, we used to support them then and there itself. This trust was started by 2013 and we are running that. Other than this, we used to conduct free eye camps, medical camps, tooth checkup camps, and we are doing medical supports, like whoever is feeling like ill admitted in hospital and they are very poor means, we used to investigate and we used to support them. Other than this, every year we are supporting 50 plus students for their education. Not only for school students, it's for college students as well. So we are supporting that as well on every year. So it is getting increased year by year because the demands are more always. So we will try to say no. We will try to avoid telling no to the request whatever is coming to us. We will try to do whatever we can. So you may ask like how you can be into devotion and service. To be frank, devotion is nothing but helping others. So if you help other, your power will increase, or your Atma Balam, like Atma power will increase automatically. So actually these are all not, I won't say like these are all done by me, because I means nothing. That is the truth. It's all done by the spiritual powers or divine energy behind me. and mostly it is because of my Guru Muttappa Narayanan. You can see his temple in Kerala mostly, and it is in Madurai also. In Madurai it's in two places. One is Surya Nagar and the other one is at Kocharai. So Muttappa Narayanan, so he used to instruct me the things, and I used to follow the instruction. With this instruction only this homage was started, and it was going well. Now in this Corona period, lockdown period also, we have supported nearly 500 plus families with provisional items and all. So it's going well. Like seeing the smile in others' face brings in a special power to us actually. Although instead of saying no, we can help whatever we can. Even I want to tell you guys the same thing. So instead of telling no, try to help others with whatever you can. If they ask for 10 rupees, you might not have 10 rupees, but you can give that 1 rupee to them, which will support you in some or the other way. In Tamil there is one saying like Dharmam Thalai Kaapum. That means like whatever you are helping others, it will save you at some point of time. So this is something about me. So when I am doing meditation at the age of 24 or around that 23 or 24, I got to hear some voice inside me. So that voice initially I was afraid of that, but after that it was practiced and it used to direct me always. So finally I came to know like it's a Guru. It's my Guru. So after telling this Guru, next video I will be putting about the Guru only. So it is not like about my Guru, general Guru. And after that I will be posting a video on Pitru. That means old people who are died from our family. There are some procedures which we used to do in Hindu religion. So I will just explain what is the benefits of it. If we not do, what will happen, those things. If you guys want to know something about me more than this, so one more thing I forgot, like I am running it's not I always, it should be we, because there are a lot of spiritual powers around us which is supporting us in each and everything. So we are running a traditional school also, in which our culture has been taught to the childrens. As of now we are running in villages for poor people, so it is running as free. We thought of we are planning to start that across Tamil Nadu, across India also, but still no, we didn't got any place for our own. We don't have own place to construct the temple as well as the home also. So once we got that, our dream is to construct a traditional school with MR homage. In the traditional school, the MR kids also will get trained. What in traditional school means, we are just taught the children's like how the culture was with us before. We used to teach them Silambu, Adimurai, like our old fighting technologies, old cooking technologies, old cleaning technologies, and old medicals also. We are teaching them about how we live and how we should live. Those things in the traditional school. And I am running I am sorry, like I told so we are running a school for teaching this devotional things also, how to meditate and how to check the problem of others, how to see the positive energy, how to feel, how to observe, how to find the positive energy and negative energy, how to overcome those things. For that we are running a school, we are running a Gurukulam. It's not a school, Gurukulam. It's not like, as I told earlier, we don't have our own place, so it's running in this temple only. If anybody is interested in this, like learning these things, you can contact us, you can comment us, we will get in touch with you. If you want us to take the meditation, like what we got and what we are putting in these videos are through the meditation only. This was said to be as Yoga Nilai, yoga stage. This is like you will be traveling behind your Atma. So if you want us to teach these meditations and all those devotional things, live or like online classes or something like that, just comment us. We are ready to teach you. So if you have any set of people, group of people staying somewhere, you want me to come there and take, we are ready to take. Only the transport charges and some money, whatever you can give. It's all about your wish. The ultimate goal is to spread the devotional things, the real devotional power in you. So everybody can see everything. That is the ultimate thing. So if I can, you also can, because the spiritual power is not only around me, it's around you also. To identify that, we have to do some meditation also, which I can teach. If you want me to teach, you can put the comment and your mobile number. We will give our mobile number. You can send WhatsApp to us so that it will be safe. We will get in touch with you. Anyway, thanks guys. It's all about me, as some of our followers asked me this video I made. Thanks for that. Cheers. Bye. Om Namah Shivaya. Shiva.